What's up YouTube, it's Todd Horse with Taste Tracker, and I thought I would do a video here of rolling for MES or ES is going to be the same. But this position, I've run it down to the wire. Still have a positive buying power, but I only have 4 days. I'm not confident that ES will be trading less than 43.50. So I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. So obviously I'm down $236 on the trade. Currently it's trading right around 60, so I had a closing order for 35. I was going to see if I could get that filled. It was close to that yesterday or earlier today, I'm not sure, but it didn't fill, so it is what it is. So now we're going to go ahead and roll. So I'll put this closer, let's try to get it something closer to the mid, maybe 53. It's probably not going to fill, but we'll see. Nope. So let's go to 55. It's saying something closer to 59.50, so we'll just increment this slowly. Okay, 57. Okay, so there I got the fill. So now I'm going to come over here to activity and look at the price. That's 58.25, so I'll write that down. Now I'll go to trade, come out here to 49 days is close enough. I'd rather do that than 39. So then I'm going to go where I can get 58.25. So something like that would be perfect. We'll try for 59, and I only had one contract before, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. We can see right here is one contract. So now I'll go back to the portfolio. Now we'll just start working our credit down. Hopefully be more than 58.25. Okay, so I didn't speed that up at all. That's what it was. So it filled at 50. So that's a loss of 25 cents. So let me pause here and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have my Tasty Tracker screen up. Here's the calls. So basically that was a 25-cent debit. So I take, let me get my calculator up here, 0.25 times 0.05 because that's the multiplier. That means we rolled for obviously close to nothing, but I still have to put that in. So I can put this fill button in here. The new expiration is July 31st. Click that, and then put the debit of 0.0125. And the new strike, let me squish this over, is not 435 anymore, it's 4425. Okay, let me hit save. So obviously I could have moved my strike up a little bit to get a more credit, but because that was so close, you know, I'm only losing $1. It's plus commissions. It's worth it for me, and then getting another 49 days. So and now my buying power is up at 273. I would be doing that rolling procedure if my buying power went negative, especially by a meaningful amount. If it was only $100 or $2, then I would just deposit it. Or in this instance, if it was super close to expiration. So that's how you do a roll.